Assalamu alaikum and good morning again in a new class. And I hope you're enjoying your classes and your day and spreading happiness and caring for others, because you don't have to forget that this is Ramadan and we have to, this is the training that we have to do all the good things. We have to be good human being. We have to be very, very, very good human by helping each other, by understanding each other, by caring for each other, looking for whoever is in need. We have to go and help them. And then for us, like we have to do something which is a little creative, which is something we enjoy. So we are going to do that as well. So today we are going to make something which you have not done before. Remember we did Miss Robot in our numeracy class today. So I thought of making a robot. So for that, I will be using a white paper. I have cut white paper into strips like that, right? I'll be using these strips, paper strips. I'll be showing you what I'll be doing with that. Then I have to take this thermopole. I have this thermopole, different kind of, this is a cube and this is a rectangle. I have cut it in shape, which we will be using. Then definitely we will be using this time the tape to stick the things, and I'm going to use the wire. This is the wire I have taken out, but you don't use this wire because this can be dangerous for the small kids to use. This can hurt you. So for that, you can even use anything like this to make the antennas of the robot. So we are going to make robot. So for that, we have to make this thing, right? See, this is the thing which is like a spring. You have to make some springs, right? Like this. So for that, I'll be using this strip, and I'll show you how you're going to make these springs. So what we are going to do is we are going to take one strip and we are going to put a little gum at the end of the strip, okay? And now we will be putting the other strip on this. We will just stick it on it like this, right? Now this is the way we have stick these two. Now we have this strip and we have this one. Okay, now what we're going to do to make it like a spring, right? We are just going to fold it in a way, right? Okay, now this is here, this is on the top, and this is at the back, okay? Now the back one, we are just going to fold it like this. Fold it like this, okay? Then we will fold it like this. Now the other one, we're going to fold it like this. Now, like this. Okay. Yes, then another. We're going to put it like this. I hope you can see this. This. We will keep on folding the papers like this, okay? Overlapping on each other. So we are overlapping the papers and we are making the spring, okay? This comes here and now this is the end. So we will put another, some glue to just fix it, because that is done. Okay, now this is, we're going to, this is the last flap which you're doing. So now we have a square in our hand, right? And now when we're going to open it, this will be like this. Now this is like a spring, right? You can use two colors of paper. You can use color paper and you can use white paper and you can paint it later on. So I have made these two springs for the legs of the robot. And then I have made these two small springs for the arms of the robot. Now we are going to fix the robot's body onto his head, right? So for that, I am using this wire. I'm just going to put it inside it. Okay, this is the body of the robot, and then this is the head of the robot. Though it's a machine, so it cannot be like very perfect. So this is the head of our robot, and this is the body of our robot. You can even twist it like this. Yeah, okay. This is our robot. You can even use foam to make this robot. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to join the legs. Okay, we are going to join the legs which we have made. So for that, I am just putting the tape over here. I'm sticking the tape. I've made it into, you can say, kind of double tape. Okay, so I will use a little more tape over here. This masking tape I'm going to use. So let's see. We are going to cut the tape, and I'm going to show you how am I using this tape. I am just folding it like this. Folding it like this, and then like this. Okay. Now this is sticking from both the sides, and I'm going to just put it here like this. Okay. Right, now this is the tape we have put in, and now we're going to fix the legs. We're going to fix one leg over here. We're just going to press it to fix it. Then we're going to put another one, and we're going to fix it over here. Okay, now see, we have got two legs of the robot, right? Now this robot can stand on these two legs. Okay, now we are going to fix the arms over here, right? So for that, maybe we'll just try the glue if this works. I have not tried the glue. Let's see if that fixes it over here. Oh yes, see, this is the arm of the robot. And now we are going to fix the arm over here. Okay, wow. So his neck is not fixing. Yeah, so see, we have a robot. It's got legs, it has got hands, right? And now it has got eyes. He should have got eyes. So we are just going to put eyes on him. If I just put a little glue over here. So we are going to put the eyes. Yay. Okay, let's see. Okay, now have a look at this. This is our robot getting ready. Okay, so a robot needs an antenna. For that, we will be using this, right? So I've taken this wire and I'm just twisting it to make it a antenna, right? To look this like an antenna. Okay, and now I am going to put these antennas at the top of the robot's head. Okay, so like this, I can just fix it over here, right? Because the robot needs an antenna. Okay, so we're just going to fix it like this, and we're going to take another one, and we again we're going to just fix it on its head. Like this. Okay, so we have got antennas for the robot. Wow. Now I hope you can see this clearly. So this is a robot. We have got square, we have got a rectangle, and then we have got zigzag lines kind of thing over here. You can even paint it silver. You can spray paint it silver. You can even make, if you want to make its ears, you can make the ears. You can make a design over here, and you can make this robot jumping like this, right? So this even is going to jump, and this is even going to see you with his eyes, and he can catch the messages from here, from his antennas, and you can even give it more features over here by just drawing something like this. If I'm just going to draw something over here, let's see, you can even make a pattern over here like this. See, you can make something like this over here. Maybe a couple of buttons you can make over here. Like it has got some buttons, round buttons, right? Like this. Okay, so this is going to look like, this is like we have made a robot, and we have used a couple of papers, we have used the shapes, we have used some wires, so you can make your own robot if you want. So this is not colorful. You can even spray paint it silver, or maybe you can stick some silver paper over here, but this is just for you to have a look at that this is and let's see if it can stand on something. Maybe it's got this heavy head. I think that's why he cannot stand, but we make him stand like this, right? So this is going to walk like so. Yes, see, so we have made a robot. You can even use more shapes to make this robot. You can even add some triangles over here, maybe some more shapes, some oval, whatever you like, you can use that to make this robot. So this robot is saying goodbye to you from this class, and he will see you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and enjoy your Ramadan. Right? Okay. So this was our arts class today, and we'll meet each other in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and Allah Hafiz. Say Allah Hafiz. Say Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Oh, okay. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.